Chapter 1. The Celestial Tapestry. In the stillness of a sleepy night, you glance upward, where the celestial tapestry unfolds above you like an ancient quilt, sewn meticulously with threads of shimmering light. The stars wink, distant yet intimate, as though whispering secrets from realms unknown and unseen. Here, in this quiet space under the vast canopy, you begin to sense the universe's gentle, rhythmic breath, a dance of celestial bodies that has continued for eons beyond your own life's heartbeat. As your eyes wander across this sprawling canvas, each stellar point seems to vibrate, humming a song too grand for human ears alone. These lights, tiny stitches in the sky, represent worlds apart from your own, each one a sun, a giant ball of fiery gas illuminating planets with promise and the possibility of life, peering through the great, expansive void. The night sky becomes a living portrait, a symphony of both the familiar and the foreign, inviting your imagination to soar among the stars. You let yourself drift into thoughts of timeless beauty, where facts unravel like magic. A myriad of distant suns, shining with the ghosts of ancient fires, have their stories to weave, tales carried on beams of light that have traveled through the cosmic seas for billions of years to kiss your eyes with their brilliance. Each photon is a messenger from afar, a speck with roots in the story of creation, its journey spanning longer than any human history, speaking the language of time immemorial. The planets, too, join this luminous tableau, their orbits carving precise music in the cosmic dance, creating a swirling ballet of gravitational interaction. This intricate movement has governed the cycles of day and night, the ebb and flow of tides, and even the turning of seasons in your world. A celestial choreography where the great and small harmoniously coexist in a magnificent spiral of motion. Imagine the night sky as a woven fabric, each point of light a stitch in a colorful pattern. The dark spaces are no less important, rich with the unknowable and unnamed, where infinite possibilities curl like tendrils of dream. Nebulae, bright and opalescent, splash colors upon this outreach of sky, glowing clouds of gas and dust where stars are born like flowers in the universe's garden. With each breath you take, feel the connection to this cosmic dance, where the silent void becomes a muse for wonder. The constellations guide your gaze, as the ancients taught their children the stories written in the stars, naming figures and myths across the tapestry of night to pass down tales of wisdom and longing. Orion, Cassiopeia, and Draco weave their mythology into your dreams, spinning tales of courage, vanity, and the constant pursuit of knowledge. In this quiet reflection, the boundaries between your world and the universe blur. Your spirit reaches out, feeling the unseen strings of connection, the gentle tug of cosmic curiosity rooting deeply in the soil of your restful mind. These glimpses of grandeur awaken your sense of belonging to something larger than yourself, a fleeting awareness that your story, like each star above, is part of this boundless cosmic quilt. As you drift further into this soothing meditation, consider the edge of infinity, where the universe expands silently, endlessly, embracing all possibilities. Questions hang in the air, like stars yet to find form, their answers woven into the next chapter's unfolding. What mysteries wait beyond the tapestry's edge, just beyond the horizon of understanding, waiting quietly there to be named? Chapter 2. Wonders of the Night Sky. Beneath the velvet tapestry of night, where silence is woven with starlight, you lie cradled by the cosmos. Countless worlds glimmer above, pinpricks in the dark expanse, each flicker a whisper of a story untold. Here, beneath this celestial quilt, your thoughts drift, unfurling like tendrils towards the limitless heavens, where the universe sprawls vast and majestic. In this serene sanctuary, the stars become your companions, ancient travelers scattered across the boundless firmament. Consider each star like a lighthouse, guiding the weary and the wonderstruck alike through the vast ocean of space. Light years apart, yet bound by the gravitational dance of the universe, they form patterns that speak a timeless language, known only to the dreamers and poets who gaze deeply into their depths. Constellations play across your vision, their mythic tales etched in the sky's canvas. Orion stands mighty with his gleaming belt, while Taurus takes shape, the bull etched in distant suns. You start to see them not as mere figments of human craft, but as bridges, a connection across time between past stargazers and those who will follow, all linking eyes to the same celestial reefs. When you close your eyes, the journey continues inward. You drift amidst the jeweled canopy, feeling each star's gentle pulse, its life energy transmitting through the void. Here lies a universe of abundance, stars like burning embers in the fireplace of the heavens, kindling dreams as they infuse your soul with wonder. Planets glide along their silent trails like dancers in the grand cosmic ballroom, each brushing silently against the inky backdrop. In your mind's eye, you orbit icy Neptune, feel the caress of Venus' clouded veils, and touch down through Mars' rust-red dust. Imagine Saturn's rings floating like shimmering halos, drawing your thoughts with their ethereal grace. These celestial voyagers, planets, stars, and moons, carry with them the echoes of creation, songs composed in the symphonies of ancient cosmic events. Your mind swirls in their tales as you imagine unseen vistas, their mysterious terrains each holding secrets latently tucked away, waiting. As the night deepens, cosmic phenomena paint your sky. The northern lights unfurl like ethereal drapes, their spectral colors swirling in atmospheric magic. Comets grace the scene, their icy nuclei shedding luminous sighs, momentary guests on long journeys around the sun. Here at the universe's edge, you ponder the great astronomers and thinkers who dared peek into this night-bound expanse, deciphering the twinkles into mathematics, celestial mechanics, and universal laws. People like Galileo, with their heads skyward, stitching understanding amidst the stardust, expanding our knowledge, one celestial stitch at a time. Their legacy whispers to you now, a reminder of your own place amidst the infinite. The truth of your connection to the cosmos unfolds gently. You are made from stardust, as every element within you once danced in a star's heart, fused and burst forth to become the building blocks of life. Breathing deeply, you feel this cosmic lineage, a lineage that connects every atom within you back to those fiery forges scattered across the night sky. Your consciousness expands in this realization, bridging the microcosm within you to the macrocosm above. What stories will the stars tell tomorrow? As you drift closer to sleep's embrace, you wonder. Your thoughts sail on this celestial sea, each anchor point a star pulling you towards interconnected dreams, where ideas flow like cosmic tides. The universe holds its breath, and so do you, swaddled in the night's calm embrace. As you float, questions begin to form, light as gossamer. What lies beyond, in the spaces unseen, the realms unventured? Your journey now seeks the depths of what lies hidden beneath and between. Chapter 3. What are asteroids? Amidst the endless velvet of night, Pockets of mystery glide silently, carrying the echoes of time's beginning. When the universe was young and full of wild creation, these rocky travelers formed, a testament to cosmic dreams unfulfilled. They weave stories of origins and lingering hopes, inviting you to journey into their stony embrace. Full chapter. Body. You find yourself drifting in the vast theatre of space, where silence reigns and darkness whispers. Swirling around this cosmic sea are asteroids, the ancient mariners of the universe. Imagine them as the rocky remnants from the dawn of everything, fragments of starry dreams that once aspired to be planets. These are the relics of formation, preserved in time's embrace. Each asteroid is a small world of its own, carrying with it the geological scars of a tumultuous past. Their surfaces are etched with craters, valleys, and ridges, each telling a story, each mark a revelation. You float closer, entranced by the tales these spacefarers tell through their silent, rugged forms. With every passing moment, you sense the slow, labored dance they perform around the sun, a celestial waltz that began billions of years ago. Asteroids drift within the asteroid belt, a magnificent and tumultuous band that orbits between Mars and Jupiter. Here, amid swirling rocks, you witness the balance of chaos and peace. These asteroids are the treasure chests of the cosmos, holding secrets from the sun's fiery birth and the planet's formation. As your mind dances among them, each asteroid becomes a piece of the cosmic puzzle, a fragment of time. From the carbon-rich C-type asteroids, resembling charred whispers of soot, to the metallic M-types, reflective as polished silver, each type holds specific clues. They reveal the varying conditions of their creation, rich in metals, ice, or stone, each type a testament to the environment that forged it. You are humbled by these storytellers of space, storytellers who bear witness to epochs when the universe was sculpted by fiery elements and time. As you envision these wandering rocks, imagine their journeys set against the backdrop of infinite space and unyielding silence. Some asteroids venture close to Earth, on paths that mirror our own orbit around the sun. You watch them weave courses of intrigue and mystery, harbingers of possibilities that connect us to worlds far beyond our own. Within their very structure, they hold the possibility of knowledge yet to be discovered, the tantalizing prospects of rare metals and minerals. Asteroids become conduits for cosmic connection, reminders of a history interconnected and grand. They are part of a cosmic necklace, strings of events and matter that link past to present, space to earth. As you turn your gaze inward, reflecting upon these celestial travelers, you feel the expansive pull of time. Picture yourself touching the edges of these ancient stones. Feel the cold, dusty texture against your fingertips. You are connected to their origins, understanding that these remnants of the solar system's womb bear secrets from our own genesis. They invite you to ponder your place in the universe, a shared history written in stardust. Floating amongst them, you gain a newfound appreciation for these relics of the cosmos, finding solace in their quiet presence. You sense the timelessness they embody and the stories waiting to unravel. In the stillness and solitude, your thoughts linger on the paths these asteroids take. You appreciate their perseverance through cosmic eons, the resilience to battles against gravity, collision, and time itself. Small yet mighty, intimate yet universal, they dictate cosmic narratives, their presence an echo of celestial music composed long before recorded time. As the chapter draws to a reflective close, you are left with gentle wonder, contemplating the intimate tales embedded in these silent travelers. Whispering stones under a blanket of stars, hinting at destinies woven into the fabric of the universe itself. With this lingering thought, the tapestry of space expands before you, drawing you toward tales of life and cosmic possibility unfolding far beyond. Genre, Chapter 4. The Value of Space Rocks. In the vast theatre of the cosmos, you embark on a gentle quest, where the ancient, stone-made travelers float silently through space. Asteroids, each unique, carry hidden treasures, not of gold and jewels, but of something more profound and rare. The interplay of light and shadow reveals their journey, each curve and crevice narrating a story older than Earth itself. You drift alongside these celestial wayfarers, pondering the secrets they hold within their rocky cores. The asteroids hum with the resonance of metals unfound in common soil, whispering invitations to explore their depths, where iron, nickel, and platinum lie tucked in solitude. Not mere relics of creation, these space rocks offer more, waiting to be discovered, understood, and cherished. Imagine a future where these metals transform our world, enhancing technology and innovation. Asteroids become the cornerstone of new adventures, the groundwork where human dreams are built upon solid foundations. They promise machines that glide effortlessly through stars, powered by rare elements mined from these silent boulders, spinning tales of possibility and expansion. As you let your mind wander among these celestial treasures, you feel the allure of potential they hold. Each asteroid is a piece of the universe's puzzle, bridging our past with the future. Their metallic heartbeats echo across the cold expanse, a hidden melody that spaces out in time, holding unspoken promises for Earth's advancements. Yet, amidst these glittering prospects, you sense a rhythm that draws you deeper. The question lingers softly on the horizon, the idea of connection not just through metals, but through the learning and unity they inspire. What tales do they offer about our place in the grand cosmos? As the thought lingers, it leads you gently towards the gentle light curve of the universe's embrace. Chapter 5. Mining the cosmos. Amid the endless sea of stars, a quiet dance unfolds, orchestrated by the lightest touch of robotic hands. The vastness whispers secrets of planets and asteroids, celestial bodies holding treasures untold. As machines drift gracefully through the cosmos, like dancers in an infinite ballet, you're drawn to the harmonious rhythm of innovation, echoing dreams born of stardust and ambition. You imagine the symphony of progress, a subtle harmony of exploration that beckons those who dare to dream beyond the horizon. High above Earth, in the silent space where gravity loosens its grip, fleets of delicate machines launch. They carry within them the wisdom of human ingenuity, crafted to traverse the cosmic tapestry. Imagine each satellite, each rover, as a brush painting the dark canvas of the universe with strokes of light. These are the miners of the galaxies, reaching out to rocky asteroids, those great celestial libraries of minerals and metals, ancient and waiting. Picture, if you will, the glittering trail of a spacecraft merging seamlessly with the starry backdrop. Each thruster's whisper propels humanity's curiosity further, ever seeking the precious morsels that lie within cosmic stashes. Metals rarer than gold, treasures locked within massive stones tumbling silently across the void. You see their gleam, untouched, untapped. Potential energy for building futures unimagined here below. Envision the robotic arms as they reach out, tools at their tips, tenderly caressing the surface of an asteroid. They are gentle, precise, like musicians tuning their instruments to a silent symphony. Dust rises in slow motion, ephemeral clouds that tell stories of ancient collisions and cosmic origins. The machinery hums softly, each vibration a heartbeat of the collective dreams born from human intellect and the eternal desire to understand, to gather, to be part of the stars themselves. You appreciate the complexity behind this cosmic choreography, where science and art intertwine. The elements gathered by these celestial miners are not mere commodities. They are the seeds of possibilities, the building blocks for tomorrow's endeavors, waiting to unfurl their potential under watchful earthbound eyes. Hydrogen becomes fuel. Silicon transforms into the skeleton of new technologies. Platinum and rare earth elements weave infrastructures robust enough to challenge the limitless expanse. In this expansive theater of mining, you feel the passage of time slow down, each orbit of a comet captured piece by piece, a gentle unfolding of secrets whispered across the aeons. It is more than a harvest. It is a dialogue with the universe, a give and take as timeless as the star's own life cycle. Humanity's tools become extenders of will and vision, bridging the gap between worlds and linking our blue planet with distant orbits in a network woven by gravity and time. You sense the interconnectedness of all things, how each mined asteroid feeds into a larger dream of habitation and exploration. These raw materials, spun by the universe's hand, will one day nurture life on Mars, on the Moon, wherever humanity dares to plant its flag of discovery next. This delicate balance of mining from the stars is no extraction of life, but a careful symbiosis, each resource a gentle acknowledgement of potential both imagined and unseen. With each collection of cosmic dust, you ponder the new philosophies and possibilities they inspire. It is a soft reflection of the ever-evolving narrative of humanity, penned in the language of the universe. As the vessels laden with cosmic riches return, there is no shout of triumph, but a quiet musing. What next shall we unlock in this dance among the stars? The machinery returns, spaces laden with cosmic wealth no human eye can fathom in its entirety. The payloads rest gently upon the earth, their cosmic journeys echoing futures not yet known. Overhead, the stars blink quietly, as if winking at the boldness of questions yet to be asked. In this celestial mining operation, you find serenity in the simple truth that with each venture, with each grain of asteroid metal, a deeper understanding emerges within the human spirit. The dance is not one of conquest, but of communion, seeking harmony within the chaos of expansive skies. Through learning and effort, you become part of a lineage of curious minds, reaching out toward the infinity, learning to balance need and nurture. As you linger in this chapter of cosmic exploration, your heart swells with the knowledge that each celestial find threads into a tapestry of universal exploration. It is a story not just of wealth, but of connectedness, each element a promise, each quiet orbit a whisper, urging humanity ever onward. Now, as you gaze at distant galaxies, a new question forms, gently lingering like the shadows between stars. What do the vast reaches of space, where light and time dance in harmony, hold for us to learn, to discover, to become? Chapter 6. Legalities among the stars. In the stillness of night, when the earth sighs beneath your resting form, you embark upon a journey through celestial courts where no footsteps have trod. Here, human tales weave into stardust tapestry, crafting laws in the endless theatre above. Elegant whispers of treaties reach your ears, discussing boundaries unseen and unaltered by earthly hands. You find yourself questioning the nature of ownership beyond this world and embracing a contemplative dance with the stars. As you drift steadily among galaxies. You envision a table set amidst the galaxies, where representatives of our terrestrial world gather. Countries, speaking in hushed tones like a cosmic symphony, explore the domain they seek to share, yet cannot grasp. There are discussions, soft as moonlight, about the ownership of moons and planets, of asteroids that wander silently through the expanse. Imagine law books woven not from paper, but from the glow of the nebula, held in place by interstellar threads of intention and aspiration. Here, in this wispy library, treaties form, seeking to frame the cosmos in human understanding. The outer space, a realm of possibility, floats like a mirage at the edge of humankind's dreams. In this space without nation, you see agreements unfurl like cosmic sails, binding us together in hope and challenge. The first whispers of cosmic legality began in a time when humans still looked upon the stars with the innocence of children. The Outer Space Treaty, a collective lullaby to peace and cooperation, echoes through time. Its words shimmer on the solar wind, affirming space as the province of all humankind. It speaks softly of restraint, prohibiting national claims over the celestial. This treaty, an interstellar pact, is born from the spirit of unity, embracing the stars not as distant entities to conquer, but as neighbors in a cosmic community. Your mind tenderly traces the fine line where the known curves into the unknown. Reflect on the Moon Agreement, a sleep-bound accord seeking to preserve lunar wonders for future generations. It sings of promises to safeguard the silent, grey plains and hidden valleys that lie beneath the moon's watchful gaze. The moon, once a canvas for flags, now envisions protection, asks nations to enfold it in a gentle embrace, rather than lay claim to its dust. Listen closely to the whispers of the decades. The stars have borne witness to dreams of mining, of extracting celestial riches. The asteroids seen as floating treasures amidst the void. Streams of space lore entwine intentions to harness this wealth, while safeguarding the universe's spirit. Laws mirror dreams, acknowledging technology's reach and prompting ethical reflection in this delicate dance of ambition and stewardship. You are an observer, a dreamer, with a heart tethered to Earth yet soaring through cosmic legalities. The universe cradles human endeavors with a delicate touch, inviting you to linger in this haven of questions shared. Ponder the ethical obligations twinkling like stardust in the night, the responsibility to explore with care, the duty to preserve the silent asterscape. Nations navigate a tapestry woven from hope and humility, striving to honor the cosmos with respect and reverence. As you float in this luminous web, the murmur of treaties becomes a lullaby, a reminder of a shared destiny yet undiscovered among the stars. Gaze softly into the night, wondering what stories will unfold as human ambition intertwines with celestial realms. The promises made today echo endlessly, guided by the guiding light of equitable exploration, nurturing the essence of cosmic harmony. In this serene voyage, where laws are born from dream strands, you find solace in contemplation. The stars remain steadfast above, ever present as silent witnesses to our evolving narrative. The celestial court awaits its future travelers, those who will inherit these threads of concord, bound only by the vision of a united humanity beneath the cosmos. These celestial laws cradle you as you rest, mindful of your place in the universe, a part of the unending story, a gentle transition leading you into the next contemplation. As the chapter closes, let your thoughts drift gently to what lies beyond these interstellar agreements. Entrance into the next realm leads you to consider the meditative dance of mathematics among the cosmos. As you ponder the enchanting realm of numbers shaping the galaxy's rhythm. Chapter 7. The Space Race Reimagined. In the vast expanse where Earth's gentle sighs meet the cosmic whisper of the universe, she stands as a living entity, woven with dreams of stardust. Here, you find yourself amidst a new symphony of exploration, where the hopeful beats of old ignitions intertwine with the fresh tunes of innovation. Nations and companies, like celestial ships, set sail toward the endless night, where possibilities glitter like a tapestry of stars. As you begin this journey, Earth speaks through winds that caress your mind, her voice a soothing lullaby of timelessness. Imagine Earth herself, her verdant valleys and azure oceans alive with stories, eager to reach out and touch the celestial coordinates written across the midnight sky. Each twinkle above is a word, a promise of destinies waiting to be explored. The old space race was a fervent rush, a competitive spark, but now there's a new rhythm, calmer and yet resplendent with potential. In this revived quest for cosmic companionship, you perceive a subtle shift in the dance of exploration. Nations spread their wings once more, but now they glide with a wisdom born of time and the gentle understanding that comes from sharing knowledge with others who also quest for the unknown. Their goals align like the planets in their orbits, sometimes close, sometimes far, each on its own path, but together forming a harmonious balance. Within this harmony, private companies emerge as fearless voyagers. They craft their vessels from dreams and data, setting forth with a spirit akin to those who, centuries ago, braved the seas in wooden ships. With eyes wide open, you see innovation sculpting the future. The sleek crafts glide silently, their journeys kindled by both curiosity and technology. The yearning for answers and the machines finely tuned to navigate the skies. Every launch is synchronized with the hearts of millions, lifting together, reaching beyond their own earthly bounds. The Russians, Americans, Chinese, Indians, Europeans, and entrepreneurs from unexpected corners of the world. Each becomes a vibrant thread in this celestial narrative, gradually weaving a tapestry of unity from the enigmatic strands of competition. At the edges of human imagination, you stand still, sensing the awe that time itself sows into the cosmos. Stars wink like conspiratorial travelers, sharing secrets as their light reaches Earth, a gentle embrace of both recognition and promise. The bygone space race echoes faintly, now a mere murmuration amidst a fuller, richer story. No longer a race of singular desire, but a dance of many steps, unified by the hope to understand the vast unknown. In this reimagined landscape, you are an observer, a participant, an endless quest within yourself. You envision a future where people of all shades and backgrounds may look upwards with wonder, ignited by the same timeless question. Not just how, but why do we venture forward? And as this chapter closes, your thoughts drift to the horizon, where the night sky mingles seamlessly with the dawn of the next adventure. Chapter 8. Commercial Ventures in Space. Imagine a celestial bazaar where stars twinkle like lanterns between market stalls of innovation, each spacecraft a vessel of dreams and commerce. Here, the chatter is not in words, but in the hum of engines and the glint of solar panels, as minds converge in a symphony of exploration. Among these bazaars, trading is an exercise in potential, as invisible hands exchange future visions stitched with the threads of enterprise. Your mind, untethered, drifts through this confluence, pondering how the universe's vastness can accommodate such human creativity and ingenuity. Can this dance of commerce reshape our cosmic narrative, and adjust the patterns of celestial stewardship. In this theatre, above Earth's comforting gravity, commerce finds a new form where terrestrial concerns seem almost quaint against the boundless possibilities. Picture yourself gliding gracefully among orbital habitats, each spinning silently, their trajectories guided not just by physics, but by principles of mutual benefit and curiosity. Satellites, those glittering beads in the black tapestry, serve purposes both practical and profound. They gather data, monitor climates, and even broadcast communication that bridges continents, reminding us of our collective home spinning gently in the sun's glow. Here, space is no longer a canvas, blank and waiting, but a vibrant ecosystem teeming with the faintly organic hum of human activity. This is commerce radiating its soft pulse through the cosmos, measuring its success not merely in profits, but in pathways open to the stars, an implicit promise to venture further. Consider the entrepreneurs crafting their visions, launching rockets not as pioneers of eras past, but as artisans of tomorrow. They sketch trajectories with the precision of an artist's brush, using the canvas of dark matter to map unexplored horizons. Cooperation fuels their efforts as partners from across borders pool resources and ideas, weaving an intricate web of shared ventures. They turn risks into a form of artistry, while the spaceways expand with the aura of enterprise. The notion of ownership morphs amid meteors and moon dust. Does one own the territory beyond the vanishing blue threshold, or merely accompany it for a time? As commercial ventures proliferate, redefining ownership becomes a necessary riddle to solve. Could it be that true ownership lies not in possession, but in stewardship, in the ability to foster and protect, caretakers rather than conquerors? Gravity, once a force to be reckoned with, now serves as a collaborator. Engineers harness orbital mechanics akin to the tides, utilizing slingshots around planets to save energy and resources, directing commerce across the solar stage with elegance. The practical dance of gravity assists becomes a ballet, witnessed by none but practiced by a select few, a reminder of our capacity to turn nature's immutable laws into friends. You sense the vibrancy within the stations, miniature worlds forming societies unbound by Earth's ancient codes. Markets here exchange ideas, components, and services where the currency might be information, the most precious of all resources, inherently weightless, boundless as thought. Inside these constructs of metal and glass, every connection is a possibility, each innovation a seed for future gardens of discovery. Such is the marketplace of stars, a testament to human tenacity, to our unending quest to merge ambition with achievement. And as commercial paths are carved across constellations, the distant pulsar beats out a rhythm of progress, echoing humanity's pulse throughout the quiet expanse. Each new contract signed, each vehicle launched, is a step in a never-ending journey. Will we, in our commercial ventures, find new ways to collaborate, to ensure the cosmos remains a shared stage rather than a divided terrain? The mood is one of reflection as you imagine these celestial transactions shaping narratives, intertwining space and time. In every enterprise lies the seed of transformation, and with each step off Earth, the stars bear witness to humanity's bold expressions. How do we balance progress with planetary intimacy? Does our pursuit for commerce extend our reach or challenge our roots? As you float through these thoughts, softly, like a breeze through evening reeds, you wonder about the next horizon. Floating just beyond this solar commerce are realms unseen, dimensions of knowledge yet unfathomed. Mysteries await in the cosmic ocean, where currents of existence draw us to explore further, always farther. How do these relationships between starry aspirations and the silent universe redefine who we are within this vast void? We continue this journey, contemplating not just where we are going, but who we become along the way. And with each step, each launch, and each whisper of a starry breeze, we venture closer to the heart of an infinite exploration. Chapter 9: Collaborative Cosmic Efforts. Beneath an expansive sky, constellations of ideas are gathering, drawn from all corners of the earth. Like streams converging into a mighty river, these minds find a shared purpose in the infinite tapestry of the universe. Together, you step into a realm where cooperation lights your path, illuminating possibilities that extend the boundaries of human potential. In the vast mosaic of the cosmos, you find yourself at the heart of a gathering unlike any other, a symphony of intellect that transcends earthly divisions. Here, in this boundless stretch of space, borders melt away. Scientists, engineers, dreamers, each carry a fragment of understanding that, when joined, reveals secrets of the universe. Imagine there, standing in a circle, voices intertwined like threads in a grand tapestry, weaving stories of galaxies born and stars colliding. You are part of this narrative, a participant in an ancient conversation that reaches back to the first spark of curiosity. It's a dance of minds, where each step reveals a truth, and every shared glance sparks innovation. As you wander through this cosmic congress, consider how knowledge flows like gentle streams, merging to form rivers of insight. Each contribution is a droplet, and together, these droplets form oceans. This collaboration is a vast body of water, fed by the tributaries of individual talents, ideas, and discoveries. With each wave, you sense the boundless energy that emerges when humanity pools its resources and aligns its intentions. Within this ocean, you see currents forming, swirling with enthusiasm and anticipation. Here, the seeker meets the sage, and mysteries unfold as readily as petals in the morning sun. The language spoken here needs no translation, for it is the language of passion and purpose. In this space, where knowledge is exchanged like gifts, you notice that the true beauty of collaboration lies not just in the breakthroughs achieved, but in the deep connections formed. Connections that sustain and nurture both the giver and the receiver. You realize that just as stars illuminate the night, so too does shared knowledge illuminate the path forward. As you deepen into this unified effort, imagine grasping a thread from the past, where ancient mapmakers once charted the stars. Consider how far humanity has come, from humble beginnings to sending instruments soaring into the unknown, all born from the courage to share and draw new maps for those who will come after. Now, step gently into the arena, where questions become launching pads for exploration, where scientists gather around tables strewn with blueprints and dreams. Listen as ideas are tossed like celestial dice, settling upon tables and integrating into new paradigms of thought. Each discovery is a seed planted within the fertile ground of collaboration, destined to grow into forests of enlightenment. Let the calm rhythm of this cosmic waltz guide you, where every step, every turn, and every pause holds the promise of progress. Feel the hushed enthusiasm, a silent agreement among kindred spirits bound by a common quest. As you breathe in this purposeful atmosphere, reflect on the potential of unity. The world is a mosaic of varied shades and shapes, yet these differences bring strength and depth. The cosmos is a canvas, and the stories painted upon it are as rich and diverse as humanity itself. In this gathering, you discern a truth whispered by the stars. Innovation is born from collaboration. It is not just the pooling of ideas, but the merging of dreams, the synchronization of hearts, and the alignment of spirits. As you prepare to exit this chapter of collaboration and wonder, envision the artisans and scientists descending from telescopes and workshops, hands full with new knowledge. The horizon stretches out before them, as endless and promising as the cosmos they study, beckoning with undiscovered possibilities, urging them forward. In the dance of knowledge, each step taken together is one that leads further than one could go alone, launching humanity toward its shared destiny. As the chapters turn, leave with a feeling of curiosity, pondering how these cosmic efforts could weave themselves into the very fabric of human progress and exploration. Chapter 10: The Environmental Impact of Mining. Delve into the whispering voids where galaxies form, gently spiraling with possibility. Here in the silent embrace of cosmic stillness, ponder the delicate webs of connection, where even an action as simple as mining can echo through infinity. Understand the shared stewardship that extends beyond Earth, safeguarding the sanctuaries where stars are born. Amidst the infinite tapestry of stars and planets, the universe spins with quiet grace. You tread softly within the celestial symphony, where each element plays its part in a cosmic dance, ancient and sacred. The universe is a garden of wonders, and with wonder comes responsibility, an awareness that even the smallest disturbance grows, like ripples cast upon a starlit sea. Mining, the art of extracting minerals, unfolds with poetic simplicity on Earth. Yet your eyes turn skyward, contemplating the untold riches that drift through the cosmos. Asteroids sail serenely, their surfaces rich with precious metals and rare minerals, vibrant galaxies shimmering, tempting with promise. Yet, as you reach out to gather these gifts, you wonder, what song will echo from the act of taking? Imagine the celestial landscapes, soft in their untouched beauty, where asteroids are ancient travelers, bearing secrets in their rocky veins. Like capturing a falling star, the process of mining holds potential for creation. New technologies, space missions, endless innovation. But what of the echo in this interstellar wilderness? What of the silent aftermath? The dust and fragments left as reminders. The act of cosmic mining stirs the universe's soul, much like the earth feels each breath and step upon its soil. Picture the asteroid belt, a realm untouched until now, vibrant in its storied serenity. As a miner, you become a painter of the solar canvas, creating strokes of great vocabulary and great impact. The balance of creation and preservation lies in your hands. As technology progresses and the allure of cosmic resources grows, pause to reflect. What tale will you leave amid the stars? A story woven with hope and renewal, or one marked by neglect? The choice lingers, an eternal whisper in the cosmic narrative. The journey does not end here. Beneath the starry veil, wisdom awaits, reminding you that each action resonates through the fabric of space and time. As you turn the page of exploration, consider the stewardship of worlds that already spin in delicate harmony. Reflect on the celestial dance, a reminder of balance and the gentle footsteps we must take. With a gentle breath, you prepare to float into another chapter, where the quest for knowledge glimmers like starlight on the horizon. The next inquiry emerges softly from the cosmic night. How can curiosity be a cautious gardener, tending the gardens of space without leaving scars? Chapter 11: Ethics of Space Resources. Within the vast, star-stitched quilt of the cosmos, there lies a tapestry of questions woven with threads of curiosity and responsibility. You embark on this contemplative journey, guided by the glow of celestial wonders. What duties accompany the claiming of cosmic treasures? As you navigate the realm of space ethics, a profound stillness envelops your thoughts, inviting you to explore the connections between stewardship and inheritance. Imagine drifting silently through the infinite void of space, where astral bodies whisper stories of eons past. Here, your mind unfolds, like a flower opening to the gentle light of dawn. The universe feels like an uncharted garden, brimming with celestial fruits dangling within reach, each one sparkling with the allure of untold knowledge and wealth. Yet, as your thoughts orbit around these treasures, a profound question emerges. What does it mean to claim a piece of this universe? As though walking through a misty dreamscape, you ponder the concept of ownership. What rights and responsibilities it entails when applied to the planets and asteroids of distant systems. This is an exploration not just of space, but of human morality and the immortal echoes of our presence. Through this cosmic journey, you weave between tangible goals and metaphysical significances. The idea of mining asteroids glimmers in your imagination, jewels of iron, platinum, and water scattered across the sky. These celestial resources, untouched for millennia, hold the potential to catapult humanity towards new eras of innovation and discover. Yet, entwined with this potential are echoes of Earth's history, where resource extraction led not only to progress, but also to ethical dilemmas and environmental ramifications. You see each asteroid as a cosmic palimpsest, bearing the imprints of the universe's ancient past, now poised to be rewritten by the hand of humankind. In their silvery light, you comprehend not just the material value, but the narrative they tell of the cosmos' lifetime, a chronicle of formation, collision, and tranquility. Here, the stewardship over such treasures extends beyond the practical and economic. It becomes a gentle guardianship, an acknowledgement of being part of something far greater than individual endeavors. Floating through the silence of space, your thoughts linger on the philosophy of legacy. How do our decisions ripple across the galaxy's expansive mantle, an everlasting echo into futures yet unlived? The ethics of space suggest a profound introspection, a call to envisage humanity not just as custodians, but as part of an interconnected tapestry of life extending into the stars. The mineral and water-rich bodies you envisage are more than mere commodities. They are chapters in the great story of the universe awaiting careful authorship. Through this exploration, you feel a wondrous synergy with the stars. They urge reflection on the delicate balance between exploration and preservation. As humanity warms to the idea of becoming a multiplanetary species, there arises a compelling need to harmonize ambition with humility, to understand that each cosmic venture carries with it the weight of a promise, a pact to nurture and respect. The galaxies twinkle like an infinite sea of eyes, contemplating with you the ethical imperatives of venturing into the unknown. Draw your gaze towards them, and in them find the reminder of grace, of the silent watchfulness that accompanies every voyage. For in this cosmic dance, where humanity stretches its reach from Earth to the stars, there is a continuous dialogue, a conversation about what it truly means to belong to the universe. As your mind drifts gently through these thoughts, you begin to understand that claiming space is not about conquest or ownership, but about coming home. A home built not on domination, but on symbiosis. The ethics of space resources, therefore, evolve into a serene meditation on humanity's place in the grand scheme of things. How do we envision our existence amidst this cosmic garden? And as your contemplation deepens, you hear the universe's soft murmur, inviting you to unravel the threads of yet another chapter, where the mysteries of cosmic identity beckon and the question remains, how shall we define our legacy among the stars? Chapter 12. Imaginative Futures, Building Beyond Earth. Imagine a horizon not bound to the Earth, where humanity, like ancient voyagers setting sail, finds new shores amongst the stars. You find yourself drifting into this dreamscape of possibility, where every step into the cosmos echoes with the promise of discovery. The air is rich with the scent of adventure, and your heart beats in rhythm with the universe's timeless song. In this vast, celestial seascape, you picture the first steps taken on powdery alien soils, perhaps on Mars or the Moon. The red hues of Martian landscapes blend with the silvery greys of lunar plains, a palette of colors that speak the language of exploration. In this imagined future, humanity has become both architect and artist, sculpting habitats from raw elements of foreign worlds, just as nature sculpts riverbeds and mountain ranges on Earth. Close your eyes, and you can see a bustling settlement on Mars, shimmering under a soft, rusty morning light. Domes constructed from local regolith, bonded together with cutting-edge technology, create a mosaic of human ingenuity and adaptation. These structures, born from dreams and science, shelter the lives of those who dared to transcend worldly confines. Imagine how it feels, your feet leaving imprints on the cold, ancient dust of a once distant planet, now homelike and familiar under a dome of stars. In your mind's eye, you wander through biomes within these protective domes, where Earth's flora and fauna find a new, exotic thrive amid Martian soils enriched with vital nutrients. Each plant, a silent testament to life's resilience, sways gently in synthetic breezes, whispering secrets of symbiosis and adaptation that cross the barriers of time and space. Here, nature's lessons unfold in moments graceful and unhurried, inviting you to learn and grow under this borrowed sky. Beyond Mars, amongst the Jovian moons, Europa calls with its icy shell concealing a hidden ocean. You see scientists turned explorers, akin to magicians, slowly unraveling the mystery beneath the ice. They ride submersibles through liquid tunnels, where bioluminescent life flickers like stars in a night sea, revealing ecosystems that offer deep insights into biology, chemistry, and the miracle of life. This inquiry echoes ancient mariners venturing into uncharted waters, their courage lit by the flame of curiosity. Is it here, you wonder, seeking under alien tides, that we may find reflections of our own origins? These discoveries weave a profound connection, both scientific and intimate, linking what it means to be alive with the dance of particles and energies that flavor the cosmos. Each insight a thread, contributing to the tapestry of understanding that humanity knits with each venture beyond Earth. Gentle narratives of collaboration unfold, as you imagine alliances formed with the unknown. Just as trees bind soil and anchor life systems, so too do colonies and stations entwine, forming networks of support across the vast black canvas that holds the stars. These are people dreaming together, sharing warmth, sustenance, stories, the essence of life that transcends rock and soil. Your journey weaves through time and place, touching even the distant Oort cloud, where comets, like frozen messengers, lay in deep slumber. Here, visions of asteroid habitats appear, massive constructs born from ingenuity and courage. Humming with energy, these creations provide vantage points to unravel the mysteries of the solar system, like celestial observatories catching whispers of ancient light from beyond our reach. Under the gentle luminescence of fabled exoplanets, where skies swirl with exotic hues, you find speculations sprouting wings. Thoughts hover around the creation of outposts orbiting faraway stars. Armed with the art of terraforming, humanity dreams of kindling life into barren worlds, rewriting atmospheres, coaxing seeds to sprout in alien climes, an imaginative symphony written in solar tones and galactic chords. And as the universe lies open before you, this journey into imagination whispers secrets of balance and stewardship, calling forth reflections on the echoes of humanity's past and future actions. You ponder these responsibilities, knowing that to embrace the cosmos is to cherish the earth, for both are an interwoven tapestry of existence. As this chapter closes gently around you, like the embrace of a soft cosmic breeze, the future remains an open question, inviting contemplation. Somewhere in the star-inflected darkness, the pull of dreams leads you onward, leaving you wondering, what threads connect the stories of stars and the mysteries they hold, waiting to be discovered? Chapter 13. The Role of Technology in Space Exploration. In the quiet expanse of the universe, technology whispers, guiding our dreams beyond the stars. It crafts the path through the void, turning cold space into a playground of discovery. Machines and AI dance among the celestial wonders, bringing faraway worlds closer. You ponder their intricate rhythms, marveling at how they become our extended senses in the unknown. The night sky, an endless tapestry, reveals its secrets slowly. As you gaze upwards, imagine a silent partnership between earthbound minds and the machines they send forth. Like celestial explorers, these technologies traverse the vastness, each humming, processing, and transmitting echoes of the universe back to your eager ears. Telescopes, like all-seeing eyes, pierce the velvet dark, unveiling galaxies and stars, sentinels that shed light on stellar mysteries. Above the atmosphere, satellites glide with grace, their gleaming bodies navigating the celestial sea. Embedded within them are intricate instruments, like organs that detect the faintest cosmic whispers. In the silence, they unfurl solar panels, majestic wings capturing sunlight, transforming it into energy, the lifeblood of their interstellar journey. You feel their presence, orbiting tirelessly, serving as the bridge between our world and realms yet untold. Upon distant moons and planets, robotic explorers tread carefully. Rovers chart barren landscapes, feeling the crunch of alien soil beneath wheels of determination. Their cameras, precise and probing, transmit vivid images, a language of visuals that speak the story of otherworldly terrains. These mechanical travelers endure the solitude, their senses interpreting winds that have whispered for millennia. In laboratories, far from cosmic quests, scientists and engineers sculpt intelligence into silicon and steel. Algorithms become the thoughts of machines, an artificial cognition that navigates by stars older than time itself. Neural networks process data with the fluidity of a river, learning the patterns of the universe. Each computation, a ripple through the cosmic canvas. This symbiosis of human creativity and artificial computation propels humanity forward, a partnership of dreams manifesting reality. The void of space, cold and indifferent, becomes a canvas painted by the artistry of technology. You reflect on the space stations, orbital sanctuaries, forging microcosms of life beyond our atmosphere. Their modules hum with activity, where scientists float in microgravity, conducting experiments that unravel the biology of life. Echoes of their discoveries filter down, intertwining with dreams of interstellar colonization. Bold plans unfurl for spacecrafts to transcend the limits of our solar system. These vessels, like nomads of cosmic winds, will carry with them the legacy of humankind, born on the whisper of solar winds. You imagine them venturing onwards, through the darkness, past the embrace of known worlds, into nebulae glowing like celestial flames. As curiosity binds you to the cosmos, the notion of technology becomes more than mechanical progress. It is the embodiment of mankind's yearning to understand the universe. You recognize how technology serves as both catalyst and chariot, carrying aspirations far beyond the blue cradle of Earth. In this reflective pause, you ponder the unyielding nature of human curiosity, the journey yet to come, a journey where technology intertwines with the courage of explorers, illuminating paths within the infinite night. As you linger on these thoughts, a new question begins to form in your mind, leading softly into the questioning paths of future possibilities yet to be explored. Chapter 14. Imagining life on other celestial bodies. Beneath a blanket of stars, your mind drifts on ethereal winds. Dreams of celestial colonies, unfurling like delicate blossoms in the cosmic garden, curl gently in your thoughts. You swim through vast cosmic possibilities, tracing the delicate tether between humankind and the vastness of space. Every vision is a celestial seed, finding its home among swirling asteroids and moons, whispering tales of silvery mines turning into glowing sanctuaries. Stars twinkle above as silhouettes of a new world take shape in your thoughts. Picture yourself floating amid the asteroids, each a potential world waiting to be nurtured. You imagine stepping gently onto a landscape where the ground is an amalgamation of starlight and rock, where the sky whispers softly of stories from galaxies far away. These cosmic bodies, once silent keepers of space's vast emptiness, hum with life as technology and human spirit entwine to forge an existence in the delicate balance of space. The asteroids, huddled in clusters like schools of celestial fish, begin to host a vision of life. Here, structures adhere to surfaces with an elegant yet resilient dance of light and shadow. These homes are woven together by beams of innovation and dreams, arching gracefully like the wings of a passing comet, providing refuge against the abyss's chill. The hum of technology is a melodious symphony resonating through walls, animated by solar whispers captured in panels that embrace the sun's radiant essence, giving breath and warmth to these nascent communities. You imagine the tender roots of civilization taking hold on these rocky hosts, cradling humanity's dream in a gentle embrace. Moondust and asteroid rock intermingle, housing gardens where plant life stretches towards artificial suns, their leaves whispering as they sway in rhythm with the finely tuned cycle of day and night. Orchards bloom in the fertile, engineered ground, mirroring vibrant azure seas on Earth, as green floods of life transform barren rock into vibrant sanctuaries. Mining these celestial bodies for resources transforms them too. Think of this act as a delicate sculpture of necessity, carving potential from the encrusted layers of time. The extraction of minerals becomes the initial song in the dance of creation, harmonizing with the natural rhythm of space. Seams of metal and ice are not wounds, but pathways weaving into the tapestry of life. The fruits of this labor are vessels of sustenance, helping to build bridges from one star to the next. And these foundations support humanity's dream of stars beyond reach. In your dreamlike state, floating above a silvered moon, you perceive the connection between humans and their celestial siblings, where mining for life's building blocks is not the end, but the beginning. Progress and preservation balance gracefully like a celestial ballet, each step measured against the backdrop of shimmering stars. Yet among these dreams, questions linger like comets trailing through the night sky. As you reflect on these uncharted realms, consider how humanity's presence reshapes the universe as it reshapes us. Will we tread the stars with gentle footsteps, leaving constellations of love in our wake? Or will the stars teach us new ways to live, to coexist and flourish, with respect for the universe that cradles us in its limitless embrace? Feel the quiet essence of possibility as the gentle hum of a new dawn vibrates through the tapestry of the cosmos, leaving a lingering spark of curiosity. As you drift towards the horizon, the story wanders into the gentle folds of time, softly seeking the nature of companionship in the ever-expansive universe. What new dawns await us in the unfurling petals of ancient stardust, as we reach beyond ourselves into the vast unknown? Chapter 15. The Cosmic Legacy We Leave Behind. In the stillness of the cosmic ocean, we drift on currents of stardust and thought. Here, in the quiet expanse of space, you ponder the echoes of our journey, the gentle imprints left behind. Each choice and discovery writes itself into the universe's narrative, forging a legacy that will speak to those who come after. As you float through this velvety sea of eternity, wrapped in the soft embrace of endless night, you reflect on the essence of your voyage. Your thoughts weave into the cosmic tapestry like shimmering threads, light and delicate, yet infinitely resilient. What stories will these threads tell to those yet unborn? From the heart of a remote galaxy, light that began its journey millions of years ago reaches your eyes, a luminous messenger connecting time and space. Like a beacon, it reminds us that we are not only observers, but also participants in this vast cosmic play. Every action, every decision becomes a note in the universe's symphony, resonating across eons. Here, surrounded by the infinite, you contemplate the chain of discoveries made by humankind. From the moment our ancestors first looked up to the stars, to the unfolding of mysteries that illuminate the night, each breakthrough has added a new verse to the celestial song. And now you stand on the shores of understanding, poised to leave your mark on the pages of cosmic history. Imagine the explorers of tomorrow, guided by the light of your contributions, charting paths through uncharted nebulae and distant worlds. Their journeys are shaped by the knowledge and experiences bequeathed to them, a timeless dance of learning and wonder. You see yourself in their dreams, an unseen companion, whispering wisdom through the ages. As you drift, you feel the cosmic winds caress your thoughts, inviting you to consider the impact of existence beyond the temporal. The universe itself is a palindrome, stretching infinitely in all directions, with the past and future converging in an eternal now. How will your actions today influence the universe's evolution? What wisdom will you wish to pass on into infinity? The legacy we leave is woven from intention and insight, a reflection of the deepest corners of our collective heart. The universe listens, absorbing each act of creation or kindness, encoding it into the stars themselves. These celestial chronicles will remain long after our forms have faded, like echoes of a melody that continue to reverberate. With soft resolve, you anchor your vision on the horizon of possibility, tracing the paths where your endeavors will blossom. In the vastness, you find meaning in contributing to something beyond yourself, a testament to the interconnectedness of all things. This cosmic kinship is the very essence of legacy, transcending time and singularity. In this tranquil moment, a question arrives as a whisper on the cosmic breeze, one that beckons to the heart of our shared wonder. How will your spirit's light guide the cosmic travelers to come? And as you breathe in the ambience of possibility, you feel the gentle brush of a star's light on your skin, a reminder of the unending cycle of exploration and discovery. You prepare yourself to dive into the unknown once more, ready to listen to the universe's tales yet untold. Chapter 16. A gentle reflection under the stars. Finally, you find a moment of stillness, lying in the embrace of the universe. Here, you reflect on the lessons learned, the dreams discovered, and the light that shines through the mysteries of the cosmos. In this quiet, you weave your own story into the stars. The sky above you stretches, vast and eternal, like an ancient tapestry woven from the threads of time and light. Each star, a whisper of distant worlds, speaks to you in the language of ages. You lie beneath this celestial blanket, embraced by the hush of the night. And in this serene silence, the universe invites you to dream. As your eyes wander the shimmering expanse, you imagine the stardust that forms these constellations, once scattered through space, now a symphony of glowing reminders of creation's magic. Each light punctuating the darkness is a testament to time's patient handiwork, sculpting the universe slowly, piece by piece. There is an intimacy in knowing that every atom within you shares its essence with distant suns. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones. These elements were born from stellar forges eons ago. As you reflect on this cosmic connection, you feel rooted in the universe's unending story, a narrative that began long before your first breath and will continue long after. In your tranquil contemplation, you think of the lessons etched into the canvas of the cosmos. Stars, like the thoughts within your mind, are born. They live vibrant lives and eventually fade away, contributing to the birth of new worlds. So too do ideas and dreams cycle through your consciousness, each serving a purpose before giving way to the emergence of fresh aspirations. You ponder the galaxies that spin through the vastness, majestic spirals of light and shadow. Each galaxy cradles countless stars, some with worlds orbiting them, perhaps harboring life. These cosmic dances remind you of the intricate ways in which your own life intertwines with the lives of others, each person a star in the constellation of your existence. In the heart of the darkness, your breath synchronizes with the gentle rhythm of the night. It is in this quiet surrender that you find a part of yourself that feels eternal and infinite. You remember that just like the stars, you too have a light that can illuminate the obscurity, a presence that can weave stories of hope amidst the vast unknown. As the stars twinkle softly, you come to appreciate the equilibrium they teach, the balance between knowing and not knowing, between the curiosity that drives discovery and the peace found within acceptance. Each point of light instills a sense of wonder, encouraging you to explore not just the universe, but the universe within yourself. Here, under the infinite dome, you are reminded that while you are but a small part of the cosmos, you are also an integral thread in its grand design. With this understanding, you feel a gentle empowerment, embracing the duality of being both a question and an answer, a seeker and a part of the mystery you seek to understand. As your thoughts drift, you feel the gentle connection between the sky and earth, an ethereal tether that binds you to every element, every star, all that has been and all that will be. It is a bond woven from shared origins and destinies intertwined, an invisible lattice of cosmic love that envelops you in warmth. In your heart, you hold the night's secrets close, knowing that as the stars reflect their light upon you, you too cast your luminous echo into the world. This exchange of light and darkness is an endless conversation, a story of belonging, reminding you that you are never truly alone under the heavens. As you gaze upwards, you sense the universe inviting you to rest within its mysteries, to find comfort in its vastness, and to feel a profound connection to all creation. And in this sacred stillness, you realize the stars are not just above you. They reside within, guiding you gently toward understanding. In the final moments of your reverie, there is a soft shift in the air, as if the night itself is offering a new question to ponder. It is a whisper of what might come, a hint of the next horizon to explore. Your heart, open and curious, waits to embrace the next part of this celestial journey.